And then here is our cell activator. Here we go. All right. Cross our fingers.
You wanna ride?
No.
Just because it's fun, you wanna be in my space. Too close to the sun, don't seem to care if it's safe.
Hi guys, we are doing an experiment today with clear school glue. I've had so many viewers ask, can you school bloom with clear glue? And I've always had to say no, I don't know. And yeah, this stuff was weird right from the get-go. From the moment I opened the bottle, it felt strange. Like that gel that they put on your tummy for an ultrasound, it was just strange. But it was a good experience and learning lesson, and I love the colors I used. This is a Wicked color palette theme. So you've got the grunge, the bright green grunge TLP for Elphaba, and then you've got the Show Pony Pink from TLP for Galinda. And yeah, at the end you'll see it comes out pretty cool looking, and I really, really love the final product, and I hope it dries okay. But yeah, I mixed the clear glue exactly the same way I do my Elmer's School Glue, my white stuff. Exactly the same way, and it was a bust in my opinion. So we're going to try in the future to mix them differently and see if I can get it to work. I still got some plans for it, but we'll see. Like I said, this was a learning experience. And so it wasn't a failure because I learned from it, right? So, but yeah, I do go on to save these paints, try to, with some just straight school glue, white school glue, out of the bottle, straight into the paints and mix them up, and then add some water for consistency at the end, for what you'll see for the straight pour and the ring pour. But this initial school glue bloom, nope, did not work. So here we go. Yeah, you'll see. That's all I can say is you'll see.
Amsterdam Oxide Black. Again, we're going in parts. So we've got half an ounce, just like our colors, half an ounce. There we go. And then we want an ounce and a half for our cell activator. So we gotta have it read 2 ounces on the scale. Oh my gosh, is this cup gonna be big enough? Ah. Oh, just okay. We're at 1.9. I'm leaving it there. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if I can get a stick in here. Oh my goodness. Just a half an ounce more of the pouring medium made such a huge difference, right? Okay, now we need a base. Let's pour the rest of this in here. Okay, there we go. And we will just take some golden carbon black and fluid acrylics and give it a healthy squirt. There we go. And a stick. Wow, that is way too thin for a base pillow. There is just no way. That is way too thin. All right. Normally I would just add more school glue, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add more of this glue to it and hope that I get a thicker consistency, even though that stuff is so viscous already. Yeah, I'm not comfortable with that yet. Oh my god. I can't use just straight glue. Ew. Alright. Here we go. Good lord. I'm gonna tell you right now, if this is what I gotta do to get a base color. Holy cow. I'm gonna have to, you would have to use a heavy body paint. Oh, sorry, I'm jiggling this camera all around. You would have to use a heavy body paint like this to make it thick enough to use for a base or a color to use for a school blue bloom, because that is just not economical. But we're gonna use it. We mixed it, we use it, right? Okay, here we go. We're gonna put these in a bin. Let them sit. I don't want to. I want to know now. We have some freezer paper. There we go. Why isn't this sticking? Because it's aluminum. That's why. Okay. Curiosity is going to kill this cat, I tell you. One of these days. Alright, here's our black pillow. There we go. There. Alright. Woo! We're sticking to the paper already. Okay. This will make a really pretty skin, if nothing else. Okay, there's our pink. And then we'll put down our show pony. Then we're going to put down our lime green. Then we're going to put down our grunge. Wow, that got watery, didn't it? Okay. Let's put a little bit more show pony on there. What the heck? Because I like it. All right. And then here is our cell activator. There we go. All right. Cross our fingers. No! Oh my goodness. Holy Hannah, are you seeing this? Wow. Okay. Okay. Will they hold? Will they hold? I don't think so. They're looking kind of wonky. They're getting kind of broken. I don't think the binders are strong enough. I honestly don't. Man, look at that cell. I just don't think it's going to hold the cell structure. No, I don't. I think this experiment is a bust. I'm sorry to say. I tried it with the exact same measurements as what I normally use for my Elmer's white school glue. And I'm not seeing it. Which is a shame. Because I don't want to waste all these piggies and paint. Okay, our paints have sat overnight, so they shouldn't have as many bubbles in them. Yeah, these are the ones I'm trying to rescue that were mixed with this initially. I don't like this. I'm gonna tell you straight out, I don't like it. But I'm going to give it another chance. I'm going to try another recipe completely different from the way I mix my school glue pouring medium and my paints. We're going to try a whole different way of mixing with this and see if maybe that works. I had kind of an epiphany after morning coffee that I want to try, but we're not going to have enough time in this video. I've got a split cup. This is kind of a cloud mix that I mixed up with the school glue pouring medium. It's got Amsterdam Titanium White, it's got Artist Loft Soft Body, it's got some Deco Art Americana satin enamel in it, and it's got Vallejo Pearl Medium in it, and then the school glue pouring medium. These are our saved paints. So I'm going to put, let me put, how thick did these get? Oh, they're nice. Okay. I'm going to put, I'm going to put pink on one side. A beautifully wicked pink. Yeah. Get that out of that side there. And then our green on the other side. Oh, I saw a chunky fall in. Some of this is still a little chunky. Okay. It's probably from the super heavy gel medium. Probably got some little chunks in there. All right. And then there. And there. Just little drizzles at a time. I'm putting the Arteza Pearl, and then the cloud mix every other flow, and then I'm going to do the same over here. This is the Arteza Lime Green. Go in. A little dollop. Oh, what is that? Is that a goober? That looks like a goober. I don't want a goober. Okay. And then a little bit. Just a little bit. This stuff goes a long way. There we go. Ooh. Got too much on that side. I can tell already. My white is going to take over now. All right. Let's put a little bit more on this side. There we go. Might as well fill these all the way up too, right? So we want those to be the star of the show. My Elsa and my Glinda. Okay, and let's put, yeah, there's a lot of clear glue in this one. Let's put this one down as our base. Color combination is gorgeous, but yeah, I don't like that. Not one bit. We already know these paints are pretty meh. So let's just use them up and experiment, at least with the color palette, right? So I put a little bit of this black in between my green, and then I added the Show Pony. So in between Grunge and Show Pony is a layer of black. Then on this side, in between Show Pony and Grunge is a layer of black. I just want to see what it'll look like. Let's try it over here too. On the sides that have the Arteza. Because why not? Why not? And this is when some of the best things happen. You know, when you're just kind of at your wit's end and you just say, oh, what the heck? And stop trying to accomplish something and just go for it. So, okay, here we go. Just a simple ring pour with cloud mix. gonna stick it in the paint again. Yeah, my hand is shaking. Too much coffee this morning. All right, there we go. Okay. Not bad. Kind of a cool composition, huh? All right. Just gonna spin it out. Why not? Ooh! Ooh, ooh, ooh! I told you, some of the best things happen when you just say, screw it, and get out of your head. When you're kind of like at the end of your rope. Wow. Wow. I'm digging this. I want this circle up over here a little bit more. I'm not a perfectly symmetrical kind of person, so I don't expect my I don't expect my paintings to be perfectly symmetrical. Wow. Oh, I'm digging this. I'm digging this. I'm digging this. That is cool. Do you guys remember Bloodstone? If you don't, please go back and check out Bloodstone. I got a very similar pattern and I stretched it, and it looked almost like you were going into the depths of like an ice cave, like where a Viking battle happened or something, and it was so cool. And yeah, that's what this is reminding me of, but in a very wicked way. Oh, I'm so excited now. Very excited now. I am really digging this. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, we've got to spin a little bit more. Just because. Just because. We can't have a lot of paint on the canvas. And I know I poured a lot on here, so. Wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, are you digging this too? I am so digging this. I am digging this. All right, this is a wicked cool pour. This is a wicked cool split cup ring pour, man. I don't do enough of these. I need to do more. I'm loving this. All right, we're leaving it. Please remember to do those likey, subscribey things, and go check out Dave's DRH Creations and Just Janice, who were both right before me, and their links are down in my description. And yeah, this was not a failed experiment. It was a learning experience. And we're going to learn some more in the future with that glue. You know, we got to try, right? Sometimes wickedly magical things happen when we just try. That's so cool. Okay, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.